Welcome to Digisoft Services.
Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn the steps to enable API access for your login on the GSTN portal to allow direct upload of returns from any software. By giving API access, you can upload GST returns to the portal directly from TallyPrime. Let us take a look at the steps to enable API access on GSTN portal. Log into GSTN website. Click your username in the top right corner. Select My Profile from the list shown. In the My Profile screen, go to Quick Links and click Manage API Access. Select the option Yes against Enable API Request. Select the duration. Irrespective of the duration set here, TallyPrime keeps the login active only for 6 hours by default. You will need to log in again after every 6 hours. Click Confirm. Now you can directly upload GST returns from any software such as TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task.
For more information, please call us at 995-300-3900. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also visit our website at www.digisoft.com.